In this lesson, we want to teach you time delay capture. This is good for when you do not want to screen lock immediately and be ready for capture. By default, when you click the capture button, the monitor screen locks, as you can see, and lets you select a region. Then you can capture. To start, click on it to active the time delay, and then its option will be activated. Okay, the first is delay, that you can set this delay in seconds. For example, 5 seconds. When we click on a capture, as you can see, the counter appears at the bottom of the screen, and then you can prepare the monitor, and then the screen, you can capture the screen. Okay. The next is interval. You can set it to capture for you every few seconds or minutes or hours. For example, every 6 seconds. As you can see, the capture button has changed. Okay, if you are in a region mode, you must first select the desired area, and the software takes the same every 6 seconds and capture that area for you. Okay, as you can see, every 6 seconds, that area will be captured for you. Okay, if you want to stop, open the software and hit the stop. Okay. And the next mode is a schedule. You can determine at what date or time the software will capture the screen for you. Okay, this is time delay. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.